It doesn't matter. You are a male in the female bathroom jerking your bro.
You can take a dump, or pee, or shower at your house. If you a trans, you ain't gotta pick a bathroom to find yourself in, knowing that you don't even look like a woman. Like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to get notifications. Anytime I go live or make a video, I know y'all enjoying the new set. Let's get into this. I gotta show y'all the craziest sugar honey iced tea I done seen on the internet this year. Somebody help me. People need to sue Planet Fitness. Planet Fitness, what in the are y'all thinking? So put the person on the screen. Planet Fitness let men go into women's locker rooms if they just feel like a woman. They ain't gotta look like a woman. They ain't gotta be a woman. They can just feel like a woman. And so look at this fool with his flip-flops hanging under the stall, beating his junk in the women's locker room. Homeboy ain't even dressing like a woman, but he in there wanking it in the women's locker room. Like, what are y'all doing? Play the clip, you don't believe me. Roll it. He wanking. There ain't nothing else he could be doing on that stall but wanking. Homeboy in there dry rubbing. What? Why? Why though? Why? All right, pause. So they confront the guy. We'll fast forward to the confrontation part. All you gotta do is go to tatumstore.com, and get you some of this merch. Don't mess with the USA. We got a bunch of new products that we're gonna add too. We got another one that says "Don't F with us" with a USA flag. We're producing that right now. But if you want some merch, just jump on there, grab some, put in. I think we'll post a discount code in the description section where you can get 20% off. So go on, check it out. You can check out some of the other merch that we got. You go to our best sellers. If you still want some of the Charlie Kirk's merch, you could go on. We have some Charlie Kirk Freedom hats, and we have some of the Charlie Kirk merch that we still have in stock. You can buy that and be supportive of our brother, Charlie Kirk. Why are you in there doing that? This is why we be on y'all tail with this. It's because these people are not acting in good faith. You can take a dump or pee or shower at your house. If you a trans, you ain't gotta pick a bathroom to find yourself in, knowing that you don't even look like a woman. You could have went into the male locker room and did all that same stuff you doing. And to be honest, if you were wanking it in the male locker room, people probably wouldn't even worry about you. Like, oh, that homeboy crazy. But you doing it in the women's locker room. And then when you're done doing it, what you gonna do? You gonna do it on the floor? What you gonna do your thing at? You gonna just do it on the floor. So a woman to come in there and step on it or something. You going to hell with your sorry self. I'd have whooped the socks off of this dude if my wife told me a man in there wanking it in the locker room. I'm gonna come in there and beat you down in the locker room and put it on Instagram. I swear, God is my witness. We gotta stop. Men gotta stop letting dudes do this stuff. Take your butt in a woman's locker room, and I'm in there. My wife come tell me you wanking it. You're gonna take a L. You're gonna take an L with your thing hanging out. All right, let's play the clip of them confronting him. Here's the employees who don't know what to do. They don't know how to address it, which I'm not really mad at them, because the corporate level fire these people if they actually addressed it. Roll the clip.
At home. Don't go be in a public place. Bro, do you go to the Taco Bell bathroom and jack off, bro? What the is wrong with you, bro?
You got underage people walking in here.
Right, minors, like.
You guys, I was in the stall.
It does not matter, bro.
You cannot harass me when I'm in the stall.
You were in the women's bathroom.
I'm allowed to be in here. You cannot.
Doesn't matter if you're allowed to be in here. You're not allowed to jerk off in here, bro. That is so weird. Bro, we have video proof.
Are you allowed to video people in the stall? No. So why are you...
It doesn't matter. You are a male in the female bathroom jerking your bro.
I'm a transgender.
It does not matter. You have a and you are jerking off in the female bathroom.
I was not jerking off.
Yes, you were. We have a video of it, bro. I was on FaceTime.
What were you doing? What were you doing?
I was drying off, like I just said.
Yes. For how many minutes straight you were drying off?
Oh, so that was you in the shower. Right.
I was in the shower.
Yeah, right.
Bro, let's be on some real right now, bro.
The real is you were filming me in the stall, and you're saying that I was doing something wrong.
Yes, you were jerking off, bro.
Can you guys listen to this? He was filming me.
It's alright. We got you on camera. Like, you're in the women's bathroom jerking off. That's in the one. It's good. The manager will handle it. Maybe the cops, however they choose to handle it, is how they handle it. It's good. It's fine. Let's go, babe.
All right. How do people not go to jail over this stuff, man? I'm just trying to figure this out. And the young lady had a response video. We'll play this because she responded to, her take on it. I'll play a little bit of it because she's kind of long-winded on it, but it's so weird that you can play like you're a woman and go in there and wank your stuff and potentially do it in front of little kids and stuff in the name of trans acceptance or something. And homeboy ain't even verifiably trans. He in there with shorts on and a t-shirt, wanking it. I just don't understand, man. I did like, you got to go to jail over that. Because if I didn't identify as a trans and I went in a women's locker room and did that, I'd be going to jail. But all you got to say is I identify as a woman and go do that same thing, you don't go to jail. He was in the shower. Now imagine if a woman came in the shower. You think he covering this thing up? No, he got a thing hanging out. Like, let us talk. Let her talk.
Why all of a sudden my video is blowing up on Twitter and Instagram. This happened back in May, but I'm getting a lot of questions and stuff, and I'm just gonna answer and tell y'all how this went down. So pretty much I was just at the gym, I go in to use the restroom, and the shower is going, because at Planet Fitness there's showers, and the shower's going. Didn't think much of it. I go out to wash my hands, and the shower stops, and this dude comes out, okay? Literally straight up dude. Tall, and just masculine, everything. And he's naked and wrapped in a towel. And he goes across into the changing room. And I was kind of just in shock and just didn't really know what to say. Like, I mind my own business, okay? I go to dry my hands, I turn back around, and I see that shadow, and I'm just like, okay, there's no way. Maybe I'm just being delusional or imagining this, I don't know. So I go back out into the gym, and about 10-15 minutes later, I come back into the bathroom, and he's still doing that. Like, the shadow is still going. So I'm like, okay. So at the time, I was by myself. Both times I went to the bathroom with him, and so like I was really uncomfortable. I'm just glad it wasn't a minor that was in there, and saw that. But yeah, I was pretty uncomfortable, so I called my boyfriend and showed him.
All right, so that's like, the part where we got to is when she called the boyfriend there. She talks a little bit about how she regret not calling the police at the time. To be honest, the manager should have called the police. She shouldn't have to call the police. Dude, you're violating people's, I would say rights, but you're doing illegal activity. You're indecently, disorderly conduct at minimum, man. You wank it off in the locker room and it made somebody uncomfortable. You're not supposed to be masturbating or having sex in a locker room or anything like that. You're supposed to be getting dressed like a normal person. All right.